back substitute, and keep going back until you can solve all your variables. Again, you can leave me x equals y equals z equals, or you can just string them out like this, but put them in alphabetical order. This would be the x, the y, the z. No matter what letters they give you, just put them in alphabetical order. Today when we do word problems, we'll set up let statements. And then put them in the same order. But all it is just describing your variables you use. Alright, so, excuse me. Back substitute again. You okay with this?
Yeah.
Alright. Here's a little, this was a nice one because the third one was missing a y. If you can combine the first two, which combined very nicely, and eliminated y, then you could take these two together. Again, if it helps you, label these. Call this A. This is like an intermediate one. You're going to combine these two now. And it doesn't matter which one you eliminate. If you didn't eliminate X and you eliminated Z, that's fine. Whichever one you eliminate is absolutely fine. And then substitute it back. Probably better to substitute it into this one because this one was the given one, not the one we changed. So usually though, if the one you changed is wrong, they'll all be wrong anyway. But substitute them all back into the first one or the second one to find the missing one. And because you didn't use one of those, check it in that one. Check which one, like I didn't use number 2 to substitute back into. I'll check them all in too. Doesn't have to be a formal check, just eyeball it. Throw it in your calculator. And again, set them X, Y, and Z. We're good?
Yeah.
Okay, stop me if there's any questions. There's a number of ways you could do this. Did we do this one?
Yeah.
Number of ways. Try to take the easiest way, and again, sometimes you don't spot it. This one, once we get it started, we realize there's no solution to this. And many times you're going to see no solution. 3 variables is sometimes hard to solve. If 5x is equal to 7 and 5x is equal to 17, that can't happen. Last one, is this the last one? A little messier. If you have a thing of an equation and you can reduce them all by something, then start that way first. It's a little bit easier. But try not to do, in the past, and it's very, very hard to do it. I've seen kids come down to 2 equations and then start substituting one into the other. Just keep your pattern going with eliminating your variables.